Gov Capital Collector expects Ethereum to grow 2.6% tomorrow. Before we dive in, let's quickly review the current price conditions. At this time, Ethereum has fallen 3% and is positioned around $1,669.35. Let's check today's expert outlooks. Based on Gov Capital Collector's outlook, the asset could move toward $1,715.65 by June 25, an increase of about 2.6%. CoinCodex projects a move up to $1,682.61 for Ethereum, which implies a gain of 0.7%. Digital Coin Price notes it might move lower toward $1,638.08, roughly 2% down. Another forecast released by Crypto Predictions notes Ethereum could weaken toward $1,632.02, a projected decline near 2.4%. And in closing, Traders Union believes the price may reach $1,612.62 by June 25. That's a 3.5% drop. This is the strongest return case. 5 expert insights done. Let's carry on. All 5 forecasts reviewed. Here's what they suggest in numbers. Taking into account the different outlooks, the projected price change could range between a drop of 3.5% and an increase of 2.6%, depending on the analyst. After comparing all 5, Traders Union leads with 3.5% upward change in value by June 25. This means you could see a return of between $7 and $35 for every $1,000 you invest. When evaluating probabilities, CoinCodex's forecast has proven to be the most reliable, with an 89.6% chance of success. Out of all the forecasts presented, I've shaped one single consensus overview. The consensus projection keeps Ethereum on a path 0.9% lower than current price. Okay, let's break it down. The consensus figure shows the price moving down 0.9% by tomorrow. This path implies your capital might also advance by 0.9%. On a 1,000 position, this could potentially mean around $9 more. So the chance of the consensus forecast playing out stands near 88.6%. At this point in the outlook, let's check the short-term 3-day market view given by analysts. Gov Capital Collector views the short-term path as moving upward. A stable outlook is projected by CoinCodex, suggesting no major drivers for movement. Digital Coin Price suggests bearish momentum will dominate. Likewise, Crypto Predictions believes the chart points to a decline. A bearish stance is similarly reflected in Traders Union's forecast. The consensus points to Ethereum trading below current levels during this horizon. So, 60% of the outlooks point to Ethereum weakening during this horizon. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were posted. Let's find out how close they came. Ultimately, yesterday's candle ended at $1,667.03. Just 2 forecasts captured the true direction. If we take accuracy into account, Crypto Predictions led the way. Let's go through it. Yesterday's close confirmed 2 forecasts inside the candle. When it comes to ROI, a handful of positive outcomes emerged with the best return of 5.1%. Now on screen is the full results summary. How the forecasts performed after fact-checking. For reference, Crypto Predictions posted a forecast probability of 50.6%, accuracy and 5.1% ROI. Study the table for a moment and see who performed strongest. And now you can see how the forecasted returns for tomorrow look across different cryptocurrencies compared to Ethereum. At the top of the forecast ranking stands OFFICILTRMP with 10.8%, while Ethereum ranks lower. This quick view includes 5 cryptocurrencies, and broader cross-asset forecasts are now live on my website. We're done for today. Make sure you're subscribed for the next forecast updates. See you in the next update.